My term project is creating an application called MusicAid. MusicAid has two features. You can either make music or you can transpose music. Let's see how make music work first. The users will be able to select note type, time signature, and clef. And we can also see that the X, Y of the notes are auto-positioned, so it will land perfectly on the staff. And avoid the user of clicking backwards. The user reached an end of a line, there will be a new line made automatically below. And we can see that for the new line, we can change the time signature or the clef if the user wanted to. Let's see the transpose feature of MusicAid. So if the user click on transpose, there will be prompted instructions in how they will select the image of the music that they want to transpose. They will be able to go to their file directory and choose a picture in JPG form. The users will be asked to draw lines to separate the lines in the music and afterwards press Q to quit. The process of recognition is that the image will be first split into the chunks that the user split their music into, and then there will be a recognition of clef to crop the image further down. Afterwards, there will be a line recognition to get rid of the staff lines in order for the circle recognition to work better. And lastly, there is the circle recognition. Afterwards, output of the recognized sheet music will be displayed. So as we can see that there are some errors in the recognition, so users afterwards will be able to change the music so they can move the notes up or down. They can change the note type, so quarter to eighth or eighth to quarter, and they will also be able to add flats to the note. And if a note wasn't supposed to be there, the user will be able to delete it. And if the user was accidentally deleting a note, they will be also be able to redo the deletion. And then afterwards, they will be able to transpose their music. So the user will be able to choose the key of the music they have, what instrument their music is written in, and they will also be able to choose the instrument they want the music to be in. So we would hit transpose and the program will do its job. So we see the notes being moved and also accidentals or flats being added.